What's up, guys? Happy Halloween. This is Halloween the day. Oh, it's not night time yet. But it is night time. Let's go. Okay, fly, Christmas. We are up in the sky now. We are giving you some lunch. I want some places and stories for you. And some bottles. I'm having cold now. My feet is so cold. We got some bottles for you. Put your seatbelt off, everyone. Storybook is coming. Mama, give me my food. It's him over there. And it's for playing football for you. On in seats, not outside. Why? If you go outside, it will be very shaky out. Let's watch a movie. Excuse me. You have to move the right direction. Why? Then you do not play the ball. Oh. What's up, guys? Happy Halloween. This is Halloween.